Do you think theatre is losing great minds?
Now the government has NCERT theatre is an option. 9th 10th standard alli you can take theatre as a subject. So I think that will help because the educational system will barbeku idu. It's worth having. It's such a complete art. It just allows the human being to become more human. It's not only talking about excellence. It's talking about being articulate, anesthetic.
Absolutely.
And I believe that ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶಬ್ದಕೋಶ ಅದು ಆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು.
Correct.
And I believe that there is so much for everybody to learn. How to sit, posture, gesture, voice, behavior. That is the beauty of this world that I belong to.
ಇದು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.